how to set up Kick.com alerts. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how you could set up your alert on your Kick.com. Now, it's going to be an easy and very direct to the point, so if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Now, for you to be able to add some alerts on your Kick.com, we will be using this free platform called Botrix.live. It is a bot and it is a streaming tool that would allow you to add some alerts or those different types of notification on your Kick.com stream. Now, to go here, you're simply going to type in botrix.live and you're simply going to log into account. Now, as you can notice, there is no option for Kick over here. Now, don't worry about that. All you need to do is to select the login with Twitch or whatever option that you have over here. And when you do that, of course, we're going to authorize this communication. Let's wait for it to log in. And after you log in there, as you can see, as I scroll down, we will be able to see the option to sign in with Kick. So you will be able to connect it with your Kick.com. So don't worry about that. So what you're going to do next is, of course, select sign in with Kick. And you have this option now. You're going to have to enter your username. So you're going to go to your Kick, click on your profile, click on your channel, of course, and you're simply going to copy your channel name. Of course, make sure that the channel name is your actual channel name. Then simply go back here, paste your username, click on accept, and then it will connect your Kick.com to your Bitrix over here, your Botrix. Now you're simply going to follow this. Please give the moderator role to Botrix to continue. So simply click on continue over here. Then you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, I already have it. So that's good. I already have it as a moderator. And after that, you're going to see this pop-up over here. This is now a different pop-up. You're going to have to copy this one first. Copy the link. Or copy this code over here. Then simply click on the link over here. And you will be redirected once again. And simply type it in over here. Paste it over here. See, let's go and paste it. And click on enter. And that will now connect us to our Botrix. As you can see here, your account has been successfully linked. Now going back here to Botrix, simply click on finish. And there we go. We finished connecting our Twitch. We finished connecting our Kick.com with the Botrix.com with the Botrix bot. As you can see here, we have our name, our rank, expiration date, platform. We only have the platform Twitch just to create an account here, but we will be using Kick.com as our main, of course. So after that, after connecting both Botrix and our Kick.com profile over here, simply click on alerts over here on the top left. So over here, you have this option to select the alerts over here. So simply click this and you will be redirected once again to this page. And as you can see here, you have your widgets URL over here as well. And then you have your different notifications over here. You have your subscription, tip donate, followers, raid, bits, and gift sub. And you could use the buttons over here to test the alerts. For example, for the subscription, you can select that. And I think it's going to send it to your Kick.com chat or wherever. But you will be able to test them out in this section. But I think it did not show any because we don't have any over here. But this is where you will be able to set up the different information. For example, for the subscription, you could change the alert active over here. You could change this to a different style like compact or Botrix. You could change the provision, the text, the size basically of the notification. And you have your alert duration. You could increase it to 60 seconds or a few seconds. There we go. 5 seconds. You have your animation. You have all of these options over here. You could choose from as many animations as you want. You could choose any of this option. You have your image over here. You're simply going to either upload it. For example, we're going to go with this one. And you will be able to upload whatever design that you want. You could actually upload GIFs as well if you want that. And you could have that as the image for your subscription pop-up. And you have your mode over here. You have TPS or sound. You have your volume. You have your text color. You can change the text background color or the bottom text color, the typography. You can change the font over here. You have these options over here. Very few options. You have your text heights, text animations, which is wiggle. You have your font sizes, your text, your appearance on text, and custom code over here if ever you have a code. But pay attention, this is a functionality for people with programming language. Please hear a code or have someone create a code for you and you could activate this. And after that, of course, you could test it out over here. Let's see if it will work on mine, but actually I don't know if it's going to show up on mine. But anyway, this is how you will be able to do the subscription area. Then you have your gift subs over here. You will be able to change this as well. You will be able to change the style, the provisions, like the image over here, then the text, the image on the left side, then the text, or the image in front of the text or behind the text. Then you have your alert durations. Similarly with our subscription, you have your animation, image, sound, volume, top text color, bottom text color, typography, text height, animation. All of this information is present over here. And basically all of these options that you are seeing right now are the same options except for the tip and donate. As you can see, these are direct donations through PayPal. And it's almost the same thing. As you can see, there's a text over here as well. You will be able to customize almost every single part. And after this, of course, it will automatically save. And you will be able to customize your Kick.com alerts through this Botrix option over here. Of course, there are other options out there. This might not be the best extension or the best way to have some alerts for your Kick.com, but it is definitely free and easy to do. You could do a lot of things with Botrix aside from alerts. There are different widgets, and there's also chatbot over here. As you can see, you could also have a viewer counter, a subathon, gold followers, gold subscription, gold bits, gold donations. You could display all of these things on your Twitch stream, which is very nice. And you can also have your chat bot over here. You could have a bot on your chat. There we go. As you can see, there's a lot of different things that you can add or do. So keep in mind that when you're doing this, you're going to have to make sure that all the steps are correct, because if by chance you do something wrong with the start earlier when connecting your platform with our Kick.com, of course, it's going to connect to some other account and it's not going to work. So be careful, especially with the connection with Kick.com earlier, with how we did Botrix to Kick. There were a bit confusing steps, like the link, like connecting the moderator, all of those stuff. But once you are able to do those properly, if you don't do any mistake, you will be able to successfully connect your Kick.com account to your Botrix over here. And there's a lot of things you can do. So that's it, guys. Once again, that is how you will be able to add alerts on your subscription, tip, donate, followers, raids, bits, and gift subs. So hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.